Ever wondered how real estate agents actually get paid for helping you buy or sell your home? Let's break down the mystery of realtor compensation in a way that's easy to understand. The most common way realtors get paid is through commission, a percentage of the home sale price. Typically, this commission is split between the seller's agent, also known as the listing agent, and the buyer's agent, along with their respective brokerages. For instance, if the total commission is 6%, each agent and their brokerage might receive 15% each. Keep in mind, this is all negotiable. Sometimes, alternative fee arrangements are used. This might include a flat fee for services, especially common for simpler transactions, or hourly rates for consulting or specific tasks. Some brokerages and real estate companies offer bonus incentives to their agents for exceeding sales targets or bringing in new clients. This system is a great way for realtors to earn extra for their great work. So, whether it's through commission, fees, or bonuses, remember, realtors earn their income by successfully guiding clients through the real estate process. Now you're in the know. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more real estate insights.